If you're using Windows 7 and want to install Google Chrome, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you're using Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser already on your computer, you can get Chrome downloaded and installed in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. First, open any browser that's available on your Windows 7 computer. It could be Internet Explorer, Firefox, or another browser you already have installed. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type Google Chrome Download. Press enter and look for the official Google Chrome download page in the search results. This part is very important. Make sure you open the official Google website and avoid random third-party download sites. You always want to download software from the official source whenever possible so you can stay safe and avoid unwanted files or outdated installers. After you find the official Chrome page, click on it to open the download page. On the Chrome download page, you'll see the download button. Click Download Chrome to begin. Your browser may ask where you want to save the file, so choose a location that is easy to remember, like the Downloads folder or the desktop. The setup file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where the file was saved. Find the Chrome setup file and double-click it to open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Run or Yes to continue. This will start the installation process. From here, Chrome installs automatically. You usually do not need to do much else. Just follow any on-screen instructions that appear and let the installer finish. Depending on your system and internet connection, the installation may take a short moment. When it's done, Google Chrome should open automatically, or you may be able to launch it from your desktop or start menu. At that point, Chrome is installed and ready to use on your Windows 7 PC. You can sign into your Google account, import bookmarks, and start browsing right away. So that's how to install Chrome in Windows 7 using the official download page and the automatic installer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.